bring to the attention of the court that the public participation was done on Saturday, which is contrary to Article 37. Number two, the public participation was supposed to be done at the polling station level. Deputy presidents and presidents tallying ends at the polling station. Third, the notice of the constituency public participation. The court gave the orders at around 4:30. There was no notice sufficient for people in the villages to go to their constituencies. Therefore, that completely made people not to participate because they were not aware. The notice that was initially given was a notice at the constituency levels. Can that be the position that this court will uphold? I beg that the court extends the grant of the conservative orders. Thank you very much, my lords and ladies.
Thank you.